Good morning students, welcome to you all 12th standard accountancy. In this video we are going to discuss unit 7 company accounts, sum number 13. Simon Limited issued 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at par while payable on application rupees 1 per share, on allotment 5 per share, on first call 2 per share, and on second and final call 2 per share. So the issue was fully subscribed, and all the amounts were duly received with the expression of 2,000 shares held by Shelian, who failed to pay the second and final call. So his shares were forfeited and reissued to the Ilango at the rate of rupees 8 per share. So pass the journal entries for the above transactions. So write in the books of Simon Limited, journal entries. So first entry for application. So for application entry, bank account data to share application. First entry for application, bank account data to equity share application. Being application money received. So how many shares are issued? Simon Limited issued 50,000 equity shares. So 50,000 equity shares. So application money is rupees 1 rupees. So application money is 1 rupees. So 50,000 into 1. So the amount 50,000. Next, the application money is transferred to the share capital. So equity share application account data. Second entry, equity share application account data to equity share capital. Being share application money transfer to share capital. Share application money transfer to share capital. Amount, same amount, 50,000. So next entry for allotment. What is the allotment entry? Equity share allotment account data to share capital. Equity share allotment account data to share capital. So first entry finished, second entry finished. Come to the next entry, third entry, equity share allotment account data. Equity share allotment account data to equity share capital. Equity share capital account. Being allotment money due. So 50,000 shares, 50,000 equity shares. So what is the amount of allotment? Rupees 5. So 50,000 into 5, 2,50,000. 2,50,000. Okay. So next entry, equity share allotment, equity share allotment. B, allotment money received. B, allotment money received 2,50,000. Okay, so for application 2 entry finish, then allotment also 2 entry finish. The next entry for first column. So equity share first call account data, equity share first call account data to equity share capital. Equity share capital. Narration being first call equity share first call money due. Equity share first call money due. So 50,000 equity shares. So what is the amount of first call amount? So first call amount is 2 rupees. So 50,000 into 2 rupees, 1 lakh. Okay. So next entry for first call money received. First call money received. So bank account data to equity share first call account, equity share first call account, being first call money received, being first call money received, amount 1 lakh. Okay. So next entry for second call. So equity share second and final call account data, second and final call account data to equity share capital. Equity share capital. So 50,000 shares into second call money is rupees 2 rupees. So same amount 1 lakh. Being second call money due. Being second and final call money due. Final call money due. Okay. So next we have to receive the second call money. So here in the sum, the issue of and all the amounts are duly received with the exception of 2,000 shares held by the Shellyan, so who failed to pay the second and final call money. So 2,000 shares, okay, so failed to pay the second and call money. The shares are forfeited. So the final call money is received only. Bank account data. What is the entry means? Bank account data to equity share second and final call. Second and final call account being second and final call money received. Second and final call money received. So total equity share is 50,000 shares. So the shares are non-payment of fail to pay the second and final call money. So shares are forfeited. 2,000 shares are forfeited. So minus 2,000. So total 48,000 shares are So for application we wrote bank account data to equity share application 50,000 equity shares into 1 rupees 50,000. Then second entry, the application money is transferred. So equity share application account data to equity share capital. Then third entry, equity share allotment account data to equity share capital. So 50,000 shares into allotment value is 5 rupees. So 50,000 into 5 rupees, 2,50,000. The next entry, for allotment money is received, bank account data to equity share allotment 2,50,000. The next entry, for first call entry, so equity share first call account data to equity share capital. So 50,000 share into 2 rupees 1 lakh being allotment money, capital money is due. The next entry, capital equity share first call money is received. So bank account data to equity share first call account. Bank account data to equity share first call account 1 lakh. The next entry, equity share second and final call account to equity share capital 1 lakh. So being second and final call money due. Here, so non-payment of call money 2,000 shares are forfeited. So total equity shares 50,000. So 50,000 minus 2,000, 48,000. So 48,000 into 2 rupees 96,000. So being second and final call money is received. So here the shares are forfeited, 2,000 shares are forfeited, the forfeited shares also reissued. So we have to write the journal entry for forfeiture and reissue. So forfeiture for first entry, equity share capital account data, equity share capital account data to equity share second and final call account, second and final call account to forfeited shares, to forfeited shares being 2,000 shares are forfeited, 2,000 shares are forfeited for non-payment of call money. So 2,000 shares. So 2,000, each share is 10 rupees. So now non-payment of call money is rupees. Call money is rupees 2 rupees. Call money is 2 rupees. So remaining so far paid 8 rupees. So balance the total equity share is 10 and non-payment of call money amount is rupees 2. So 10 minus 2 8. So 2,000 into 10 rupees 20,000. Then 2,000 into 2 4,000. Then 16,000. The next entry for reissue entry. So what is the reissue entry means? Bank account data. Bank account data. Forfeited shares account data, forfeited shares account data to equity share capital, equity share capital. So amount 2,000 shares are forfeited. So 2,000 shares are reissued at the rate of 10. So 2,000 into 8 rupees, at the rate of 8. So total shares 2,000 into capital amount is 10. So the balance 2 rupees. So 2,000 into 2. So reissue amount is at the bank 8 rupees. Share amount is 10. So 10 minus 2 balance is 2. So 2,000 into 8, 16,000, 4,000 and 20,000. Narration being 2,000 shares are reissued. So next entry, gain on reissue of forfeited shares transferred to the capital reserve account. So entry, forfeited shares account data, forfeited shares account data to capital reserve account. Capital reserve account. B, profit on reissue. Profit on reissue. So first forfeited shares value amount is 16,000. Then second forfeited amount, the second entry 4,000. So 16,000 minus 4,000, 2,000. 12,000. Okay. So I hope you all understood this topic. We will see the next session. Thank you.